My name is Andre Ankri. I'm the president of UTS Group. UTS Group stands for Unique Technology Solution. Our company serves anywhere between Division 8 to 28 on the commercial drawings. We do special integrations for security. We do low voltage. We have security as access control cameras and intercom, turnstiles, glass and aluminum infrastructure, and curtain walls, gates, doors, hardware. And in that areas, we do anything from consultation, spec writing, all the way to installations and training and support for customers around Canada and some areas in the States.
My name is Leo Isaac. I'm the CEO of Amazing Business Results. We are a Zoho Premium partner operating since April 2013. Mostly we are helping small to medium-sized businesses located in North America, West Europe, and the Middle East. UTS Group found us on YouTube. They've been trying to find a way to learn Zoho by themselves. In the past, they had a different kind of relationship that didn't work out for them. And eventually they wanted to learn it themselves and implement Zoho in-house.
Part of the integration that we did in general with Zoho, we found out that there is some areas of our business we didn't have coverage yet. So we still had many softwares we use from different type of industries that we needed, and it's very time consuming, and we lost a lot of time as well as training of using different softwares and also cost per software.
So they contacted us for training and education, and since then the relationship just evolved. We provided them training, and then they saw that we probably can be the one who can help them, and we started and provide them a full customization service, not only training. One of the pain points was specific to the vendor's management. For some businesses, a vendor is just a vendor. For them, it's also a liability. As an example, when they are dealing with a vendor, they need to know that the vendor has all the licenses in place, all the certifications, insurance. Without those, they can't even conduct business with them. In that case, we offered a Zoho Creator application. We architected a full solution on how to manage the vendor side.
And this is kind of why we brought everything together under the Creator app. It is allowing us to customize our own unique software, and we don't have to work on a specific platform and customize it. We can just create everything that we need under one. The goal for it is managing all of our vendors and contractors, anything from their insurance to the jobs that we give them, a full process of PO management, integration with the books, integration with the project, CRM, and kind of creating the full flow of when we subcontract jobs for other contractors and vendors.
Including a portal for the vendors, so the vendors can upload different required documents, upload invoices to get paid. In addition, whenever the vendor is finishing the job, the vendor is supposed to report what was in the job, if it was successful, if they need to come back, if they need any materials, and so on. In that case, there is a form that they fill. Based on the form, UTS knows exactly what are the next steps. Requesting for money, uploading an invoice, it's being done in a second. So we created the entire system for them, and that's integrated into their CRM. So for the employee side, everything can be managed from the CRM side. For the vendors, they have a portal when they can do everything on their own. Another pain point was that the salespeople are on the go. They are going to clients. They will be always in their car or the client locations. They're not having a computer beside them or a way for them to create proposals. So we created a fully automated system that whenever they are on the go, they will have a mobile application.
It's helping our salespeople when they're on the road to create quotes more efficient and faster without the need of use of a computer. It's fully integrated to use on an app or on an iPhone. So we can actually spend less time dealing per deal. The main benefit of using Zoho Creator, number one, it's time management. So we save a lot of time. What is allowing us to gain more time to deal with other activities and helping our customers better. So the biggest thing is time management.